Hey everyone! Welcome back to the WP Ultimate CSV Importer tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to import and export custom post types created with ACPT, that's the Advanced Custom Post Type plugin, using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Whether you're managing event registrations, job listings, or any custom post type, this video will walk you through how to work with ACPT fields easily. Before we begin, make sure you have both the WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro plugin and the ACPT plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. ACPT allows you to create and manage custom post types and fields, and CSV Importer helps you move your content in and out effortlessly. Step 1. Creating a custom post type with ACPT. I've created a custom post type using ACPT and named it Event Registration. I've created a field group and assigned the following custom fields for this post type. Attendee name, text field. Attendee email, email field. Registration notes, text area field. Registration date, date field. And ticket type, select field. Step 2. How to import ACPT records. Now, let's import sample data into our custom post type. Go to WP Ultimate CSV Importer and upload the CSV file. Choose the CPT event registration as the post type and click Continue. In the mapping screen, map post_title, post_content, and post_status as usual. Then, map each ACPT field to its matching meta field. For example, attendee_name, attendee_name. Registration_date, registration_date. Ticket_type, ticket_type. Once done, save it with a name and click Continue. Click Import. In just a few seconds, your ACPT records will be imported into WordPress. Here you can see records are imported into my CPT. Step 3. Exporting ACPT data. To export your ACPT records, go to the Export section of the plugin. Choose the Custom Posts module and select Event_registration post type from drop-down. Click Continue. Now provide an export file name and choose a file type. You can even apply filters if needed. Click Export. And you'll get a file to download containing all your selected data, clean, structured, and ready to reuse or migrate. And that's it. With WP Ultimate CSV Importer, you can easily manage all your ACPT data. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments or reach out to us at support@smackcoders.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.